nice to meet you to this new episode of Weekbit. Yes, Yamaha, yeah, RDX-E700 DVD receiver, natural sound DVD, correct? But we need Mr. Brush. You see the dirt and the dust here? It's unbelievable. We do that first, in case of that we have a watch on it, and now we can watch on it. It's better for the graphics and better for me. And we are connecting it to the mains and have a watch. Does it switch on or not? And what's going on? The same failure than the other. I don't know what's happened with this. I have that last time with the silver one, and there are coming no doubts. The processor, what shall I say? Maybe there are some electrolytical capacitors are defect or whatever. But here we make it also. We clean it a little bit for so open it. The silver one have the problem that the capacitor was defect, and now we would like to have a watch inside. Maybe also the same capacitor is defect. We change it, but we will see that the microcontroller doesn't start the power supply. In this case it's also trash like the silver one. And yeah, let's have a watch under the hood. Now I'm a little bit familiar with it, and you have a watch. Now we have the thing here, and what we're gonna do is we connect the ground here from the measurement instrument, and you will see here is the measurement, and we connect it to the mains. Then we measure the first pin should be going on high, and what has happened if I switch on, doesn't go on high, so the fluorescent are not running. Here we have the voltage, 73 volts. It switched to the ground with the transistor here, and here we have around 5 volts, and here we have around what? How much volts? 5.5. Okay, that's correct. And here we must have a voltage from the other 5.5. This is going to the motherboard, and the motherboard is under this drive. We must build all out, and so we have a watch on it. Maybe this capacitor is defect. I don't know. It's not on. If I switch it on, it's not on. Switch the second diode on. Don't make a short if you measure it. It's not possible. Okay, so we know that from the other machine. It disconnects from the mains, and we are deinstalling the side here. Yes. Then we are deinstalling this. Black one screws. Wow. And silver one. Cannot put it out. Why? Why? Plastic part gone away. Now we must, here we have this here too. And then we have here two schnappies, you see this? We must dissolve, release one schnappy. And then with the screw, here one schnappy and this schnappy. So it's open now. And we release it here. We must do that on the other side. We open this here. Oops. Sorry for the owner. And this. So it's open now. Then we are build out the drive. It's with 4 screws, 4 big screws. Don't interchange them. I make this failure, I interchange them, and I don't found the rest of the screws, so I must open up the silver one and having so much hours that are searching for it. Hours. Now we have this one, and we have here a screw for the grounding for the drive. It's anti-static. Now we open it and we disconnect here the 2 connectors, put the drive away, and now we have here the processor. And this processor should be have what? Should be have 5 volts, and should be have also the speed, the clock speed. It's 4 megahertz. We have here a measurement. We measure from the ground to the diodes here. It's sitting here, the diodes. I would like to that you can see that. Here it is. Here are the diodes. Can you see the measurement instrument? Yes, you can see. This is the first. This is the second supply you needed for the supply from the processor and so on. And it must be held on. If I connect it, here must be around 5 volts. No, what's now 5.5. Oops. And here is the fluorescent on off. Doesn't switch. And here we have a pin number 3. It's here. If this is not going high, this or that, I don't know, I don't remember. Doesn't go high. And here also no high. On the pin number 5, no high. Here came nothing out. In case of that, the power switch not running. Not running. Look, it's not running. But I can start it. I can start it with this ground here. Put the ground here on the frame and insert here 4.6 volts on pin 1. What's happened? I cannot hold it at the same time that I run this power supply. It's complicated for me. I must go here. Look, you can see the power supply. You know, it's not possible about the light. Yeah, but the measurement instrument maybe you can see. I go now to the supply here and I switch it on. Have a test here. What went wrong here? No. No. Okay, I have here a problem with the connection. Here we have 4.6 volts. Okay. Cannot see it. Cannot see it. I have only three hands. Here we can have don't know what's happened where the power supply doesn't start. Maybe it's defect. I change it to 1 kilo ohm. Maybe we have the problem that the switch doesn't switch with the kilo ohm. No, doesn't switch on. Why? Interest. And here, pin number 3. 1, 2, 3. It's going here. We have here nothing. Okay, we can go to doesn't work. I don't know why, but it doesn't work. Now I measure around and I'm contacting here, and what for a wonder, the display is coming up. You cannot see it, it's very dark, but it's coming up. And now I have a problem. I think the issue is that the processor sometimes switch on, sometimes not switch on. And now, hey, come on, what's this here? Fuck. You can see the measurement instrument? No. I would like to show you, and then it's out of the picture. Look. Here on pin 3 we have a 3.67 volts. Yep. But this doesn't come at the first. The supply was here and it doesn't come. And I don't know why. What is this for a failure? Maybe it's on the other machine the same. And here we have 316 volts. Okay. I put it back to 312 volts from my power supply. .3 volts I put it. Okay. I think the controller is defect. Sometimes it's working, sometimes not. What happened? I can solder the controller. I hope so you can see that correct. I mean, it's for me very complicated to do this now. Disconnect it from the mains and solder it here. But it's difficult to say. We must lift it up and a little bit so like this. Yes, now we must unsolder it because the pins have a short. And this we take a pump. Where's my pump? Hey, come on, where is my pump? I'm very angry about this, that nobody is here, and then is my pump away. How can that be? It's interesting, huh? Okay, I desolder it now with the desoldering thing here. I must have a watch on it if it's gone or not. It's so small, it's so terrible small, I cannot see it by my eyes. This is no problem. Now I'm gonna be old and it's finished with the repair. It ruined all my eyes and all the things. Can only work blind. Yeah, maybe we don't have a short. Will be not cool if we have a short. I think I saw one short. This here in the middle. Can it be? Focus, where is the focus? It looks like good, but I think it's not good. I think there is one in the middle. So, I hope so. And if it's not, then we must kick it on the trash. Click, and it's going on. But there is no music in the room, so I must connect it to the goodbye. It says goodbye to me. And the clock is also there. Okay, super. This is super nice. But now we would like to connect the audio system on it, and if that is cool, here is my cable, and we'd like to receive a radio station or stuff like this. This will be nice if we can do this. Now I change the camera position, switch it on. I hope so it runs. Very funny. Very funny, it doesn't run. What is this for a problem? Now the processor getting the... Should I build it out, or is this the cable maybe? Pressing the reset button here. I press the reset and it starts. Okay. What does that mean? It's coming out, and putting putting the Wigbit CD in, closing the door, and what happened? You hear? But why the power supply doesn't start? Sometimes it starts the processor and sometimes not. What is this for a failure? I don't know. Yes, Yamaha E700. Sometimes the microprocessor starts, sometimes it doesn't start. All the voltage is here and it's clean. I measured with the oscilloscope. But the reset doesn't come maybe, or come. Reset doesn't come, or come maybe. And then it starts totally normal. If you give a reset, then it starts totally normal. And the controller switch on, or the things, or the power supply and so on. But it's happened something with the controller. Also in the silver machine what I repaired. We have also a controller problem. Power supply is correct, but the controller doesn't work. What shall I say? It's complicated to find. And maybe we can interchange it and find it, and it's not repaired. It's a working, non-working machine. And yeah, that was it. The Yamaha DRX-E700. I cannot fix this issue. This is the problem. Okay, if you like my channel, please subscribe. Also, failures occur on my channels. I'm not perfect. Also, machine is not perfect. The people not perfect. Nobody is perfect. And I say thank you for watching.